The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to session recap of 7th of April 2014 by Admiral Markets and me. So today we will see new setups for Euro Dollar, Cable Aussie, Euro GBP, Euro CAD, and I will give a quick USD CAD view just for our reference to see the great opportunity for shorting that happened today, but it may happen again. So let's see. So before we begin, our disclaimer: online educational materials are developed by Admiral Markets AS Estonia for a global audience. Therefore, please take into consideration that the information in this session may not be suitable for everyone. To get a corresponding information on charting, conditions, and any other detail, please visit www.admiralmarketsglobal.com, select your country of residence, and contact an appropriate entity. Also, risk disclaimer explaining all the risks associated with Forex market. By proceeding further, you are accepting all risks associated with it. Final risk disclaimer part: Admiral Markets UK Ltd takes no responsibility for the information accuracy. The analysis represents the personal opinion of the author, and in no way it represents the actual suggestion for the trade. These are not MUK's opinions, and the website in the video is not .co.uk website, but the globally used .com website. Forex is risky business, and this should be not taken as advice. It's a personal opinion only, and this webinar is for informational and educational purposes only. So a last recap, session recap, 31st of March 2014, there was a total of 200 pip potential. I will show you what happened. We had Euro Dollar, nice, that was the trade of the week. I updated my view on Forex Factory and Admiral Markets blog on 1st of April 2014 with analysis that yielded 110 pips potential. Then GBP was a loss of 25 pips. Euro Dollar setup was hit 3 days later for 30 pip potential. So it might be traded or it might not, but it was 3 days later. Euro Japanese Yen again revised setup on Forex Factory and Admiral Markets for 70 pips potential on 2nd of April 2014, and Euro and Aussie Japanese Yen alternative setup, as I said, quick trailing stop for plus 15 pips, so 200 pip potential. This was last week possible trade. Market plan was to sell around 38.35 or sell at 37.30. But what happened was basically this. I updated my analysis on April 1st, and you see this was not April Fool's, this was real. The selling has begun at this level, and all the levels have been hit, including what I stated: if below 37.25, it could go to 36.90. I also updated my analysis on Admiral Markets blog. So whatever you like to, of course, trade and read, you can read it there. So also on Admiral Markets blog, that Euro Dollar analysis for April 1st. So that was the trade of the week, really. And I was really having a great time trading Euro after some time. And again, it was very good trade. On cable, I thought it was positioned by 66.45, but what happened basically, this was Euro was here, and our alternatives and our revised setup, as I said, it was written there on Forex Factory Under Markets. It went down for 110 pips. This was a GBP loss, basically. It was one only loss at for the last week, so it was positioned by 66.45, stop loss 25 pips, and sell around 67.40. So positioned by, let's see, it was basically positioned by. After some time the price went down, but it didn't go up. It hit our stop loss and proceeded further down. But it doesn't matter because we had great trades after that one. Australian dollar, as I said, we had basically counter trend set up, which was activated 3 days after. Looking to sell around 93.15. Well, some people contacted me and asked if they could sell here. So it could have been sold here, really. It couldn't be sold there. That was basically, but it was early morning, so I didn't answer them because that was the time when I sleep usually. But look, the height was 93.02. It went down, but 3 days after it went to 93.08 and it was sold down. So this setup was also good for a sell. Euro Japanese yen, this was our setup, and basically I gave a potential buy trade around 141.60, 35 pip stop loss. Then I noticed that it might be a little bit above it, the entry position, and this was my analysis here, and also on look at this Admiral Marcus blog. Look at this. I gave additional advice for possible additional setup because I traded it also. And what happened? The price went there and jumped subsequently to the upside. That was a nice 70 pips, from that trade. And finally, Aussie yen, it was sell position. As I remember, Aussie yen was a sell position. Oh, let me see where I put it here. Aussie yen was basically triggered. This was the time of our webinar, and look at this setup. Buy around 94.70, sell around 95.70 with 15 pip trailing stop. So look at this, nice 15 pips from here, double top. Two chances to sell into, if you see it, 95.75 here. Even later, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This was just stop clearing, breakout, retest, continuation. But first we had two nice sells. Then again, it was 5 times it was sold from the level I stated in the analysis. 5 times it was sold from here. So always pay attention to analysis and try to figure out the logic behind it. Okay. Now for next couple of days, of course, always pay attention to Spiders Den and Admiral Marcus blog, because some of these trades may be updated. You know, this is Monday, and sometimes on Monday, you know, we have a slow market and I need to update the analysis because market is dynamic. Look at this. Today's setup from euro dollar, what I told you, 37.25. If it breaks, we could see 37.65. Still, euro dollar is hanging around this level, 37.50. So basically, again, if you traded this setup on breakout, pullback, continuation, you could have got some 25 pips. 25 pips is not bad, I think. I think you agree with me. 25 pips when they slow is excellent, right? Because, you know, some people who trade cannot make even 1 pip, or they are constantly in a loss. But if you make 25 pips from a single trade, that is also very good, and that is surely good, believe me. So this was my analysis for today, and I still think that it might be like this. Pay attention to 36.70. This is important level, 36.75, 36.70. This is important level. If we go below that level, we will go down. So that is what I'm really, I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but I think that it's really, if it goes below 36.70, it will go down. And I think it's a possibility if we get the trade. But now, as I told you today, 37.25 was the level to look for breakout, pullback, continuation, and we had that trade today, breakout of 37.25. But the thing is, now we need to know where euro dollar is heading. I think it might go to 37.80, 37.85. If Now, the first position, what I would like to see, sell around 36.75, breakout, pullback continuation, targeting 36.40 and alternatively 35.90. That will happen only if euro breaks this low. So look at this, how important this level is. Mark it on your charts. The low of this is 36.72. It's also Camarilla level. You cannot see it now, but today Camarilla also shows that level. So what do you think will happen if euro breaks this low? Okay, the first target will be 36.40. The second target will be 35.90.85. Okay, so I would like to see it here. This is a spinning top candle indecision, and it's top candle. After that, the market went to the upside. I still think this is a retracement. Again, sell around 37.85. If it gets there, I'm looking to sell. Why? Because you see the action here. Also, if you can nicely put a trend line here. Okay, so this is a confluence, 37.85. Look at this, prior support, now resistance. Support, breakout, pullback, continuation. Then breakout, pullback, continuation. Then breakout, but it was false breakout. Look how the price was rejected. And look where this trend line is going. Look where it stands. So I would be looking to sell if euro dollar gets there, of course. At least we can get some scalps right around these levels. So that is my advice. Use trailing stop. 15 pip trailing stop, 37.85.90. Again, if euro dollar is above 37.20, we can expect the 37.60 to 90. I think this is also important level. While euro dollar is above 37.90, targets may be 37.60 to 90. So again, it's up to you whether you will trade long if euro pulls back. But 37.90, 37.20 is a really important level. You can see it here. It's basically a buy zone, and but I wouldn't sell it there. I would wait for a bigger pullback here to sell it. Also, if this low is broken, as I say, if 36.70 is broken, I think it will go down. So primary, secondary, and alternative scenario, if you want to go long, just pay attention to 37.20, okay? Cable sell. Well, I can see sell now. Again, I don't know. My opinion is that we might see a sell soon enough. I would like to see it here where I stated it. 66, 62, 80, stop around 67.10, targeting 65.40. I would like to see it there because we have a history of selling here. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks. Look at those weeks, history of selling at that zone. I think that also look at this 61.8 major retracement here. 61.8 is close to my red level, 66, 65, and also history of selling here, and there. Okay, confluence zone. I'm looking to sell. I think euro cable should target and will target 65.40. 65.40 should be a target, but I would like to see it here to sell. Now, alternative scenario, draw a trend line on 4-hour time frame, and if we don't get 66, 60 to 80, try to look at this trend line. You can also open your charts and try to put this trend line here as I put it, okay? Because we have two swings, two connected bottoms. That trend line is holding now, but if it breaks, now pay attention to this. This is also a setup. If it breaks here, or I don't know, maybe there, if it breaks there, look at to open, just go to 1 hour or 50-minute time frame and try to see breakout pullback continuation. If trend line breaks, the first target will be 65.40. Okay? But we need to pay attention to that trend line. Also for sell, as I told you, I would like to see it somewhere around there. Tomorrow will be news for cable. I wouldn't sell it if the news is going straight to the upside. Then I would try to spot another good level for a potential sell. Let's see 66.80, 66 something if news is good, okay? But if there is no big movement after the news release, then if gradually price comes to this level, I will be looking to sell there. And of course, draw a trend line 4 hour, watch for breakout, pullback, continuation, sell. So for me, it's a sell on cable. Australian dollar is ranging. It's not so good to trade now. Look at this 4 hour time frame. Look this range. This is nonsense. I don't like it. What I can say here is basically what you probably know. Position buy on breakout, pullback, continuation, and position sell on breakout, pullback, continuation. Buy position only if this is broken to the upside, retest it, and then continuation. This also breakout, pullback, continuation. I trade ranges only as breakouts. As you could see today on Euro, excellent trade, excellent setup. I trade range like that. So I didn't want to sell from here. I wanted to see a breakout, pullback, continuation, and we get that setup today for some 25 pips currently, okay? So now I would look to buy if it breaks this high, pull back and continues. I would like to sell if it breaks this low, pull back and continues. So this is Australian dollar. Now possible good trade on Euro GBP. Sell around 83.05 to 83.15. Euro GBP. Why I would like to see there? Because you see I have one top, I have two tops. I have also history of selling. I have also see here a breakout of this level, and it made a triple top. It's 88.6 confluence. It's prior top. It's a great level to sell. So if the price gets me there, I would be looking to sell. So on Euro GBP market plan for me is to sell around 83.05, 83.15, stop loss 30 pips, targeting 82.50. Or if I don't get that setup, I would go for a buy around 82.00 scalp swing trade, because you know if it breaks to here, we can see still a nice trade around 00 level. You see history of buying here, okay? Look at these buyers. Buyers there, buyers there, buyers there, buyers there, buyers here, buyers there, buyers there, buyers there, buyers. Always buyers at 00 level. Okay, so if I don't get a sell setup, I would look to buy. Simple. Euro GBP, sell around these levels and buy at 80.00, 15 pip trailing stop. First touch, I like to trade first touch always. First touch for me is usually the best trade. Okay, so try to spot first touch. Market plan, Euro CAD downtrend. Position again 51.30 to 50, stop loss around 51.80. Targets, now we will see Euro CAD. Here is Euro CAD. Euro CAD, look at this. 1, 2, 3 rejections, 4 rejections, then breakout, pullback, continuation. Now you tell me, breakout, pullback, continuation after the support, 51.55, great support it was. Then it broke down, so it was retested, now it's resistance. This trend line intersects 51.50, okay? It's in between 61.8 and 78.6. So, would you like to sell there? Look at this double top here, okay? If it gets there, I would look to sell it, but also around 51.30 because it's 61.8 retracement. How I would trade this? I would add 1/3 of the trade here according to my risk and 1/3 of the trade there according to my risk. So 51.30 to 50, stop loss around 51.80, buy around again 0005, 000. You see history, close history of buying there. So at this level, we would see possible buy at the first touch. So sell there, buy there. Let's see what we will get. That was for this week, but also I will mention you Euro dollar CAD. Look at guys dollar CAD. I would like to I didn't, I saw it a little bit later, but I'm paying attention to the level now. 000 level, also very important level, but look at this prior bottom, look at this prior bottom, but also very close to confluence of 61.8 and trend line. So if it gets there, I think we might get another sell opportunity. So pay attention. This was great sell, so it was sell, then retest, then continuation here. So pay attention to 1.1000 level on dollar CAD. If we get another chance, we might sell it there. So far, this looks like a downtrend. Look at this, guys. Giant head and shoulders, lean head and shoulders. Right head, left head, right, left head, right. Okay, so for me, dollar CAD is sell. So just pay attention to this. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can ask me. I will go through slides again so you can see it again. And of course, read my updated analysis, if any, on Forex Factory and Admiral Markets blog. So euro dollar first, the euro dollar. This is for me mostly sell. Then we have GBP dollar. Try to spot it, try to mark it on your charts. Plan for Aussie. Although Aussie is ranging, I don't like it so much. Plan for Euro GBP. Plan for Euro CAD. So try to spot this also in your charts. I explained the logic behind it, and I think that some of these trades might be really good, especially Euro GBP and Euro CAD. But I also have hopes for Euro dollar on those levels which I showed you. Last week, 200 pip potential. If you got 50, you're also great. 3 pips always. Euro dollar here. Always levels, always stop loss stated, and try to spot it also on your chart. So if you don't have any further questions, that can be it. So euro dollar sell for me around this level, but pay attention to 37.20 because above that we are in buy position, and I think selling can be started here. GBP also sell. Draw a trend line on 4 hours, I told you. Draw a trend line and try to see if it breaks down, then sell. If you don't get this level to sell into. Aussie. Euro GBP and Euro CAD. Don't know if it's useful info, but Australian dollar on daily chart is forming engulfing candle. It's engulfing on Marimet level 48. I don't have Marimet now, but let's see daily candle. This can be a dark cloud, yes. If it closes halfway back into this candle, this can be a dark cloud. So there might be sell setups on Aussie, yeah. There might be sell setups on Aussie. But look at 1 hour, it's really ranging on 1 hour. So yeah, it might be sell on Aussie, indeed. But you know, you always need to take both aspects of the market. What if it goes up, then we try to see breakout, pullback, continuation above this level. If it goes down, then we go here. And yeah, it looks bullish now. bearish, sorry, it looks bearish. We need to see daily candle. But as I say, pay attention to daily Admiral Markets blog, because I always update the session recap analysis and put some new analysis, and also Spider's Den. So you saw last week I made one analysis for euro dollar, and then what happened is I revised it a day after, and this was the trade of the week. I got so many good comments about this trade, but it was revised on Forex Factory and Admiral Markets. If I don't revise it, that it means that it's still valid, okay? Also Euro-Yen trade. Euro-Yen trade, which was also analyzed on recap, but we couldn't, it was a little bit, we couldn't get that big dip down to buy. So I analyzed it again, and I made it more how can I say, friendly to traders who would like to trade it long. And my entry was here, and exactly at that price the price went up. So basically I always update my analysis at the Spider's Den and Admiral Markets blog. So always use blog and the Forex Factory to your advantage. Okay, guys? And you are right, Rue, yes, Euro, Aussie dollar is making currently a dark cloud. It can be bearish on daily, yes. Sir, where is on Forex Factory? Forex Factory, easy. You type forexfactory.com. It goes like this, forexfactory.com. Then when you open Forex Factory, you look for Tarantula, I do Spider's Den, it's easy. You go forums, then you go here, trading discussion, okay? When you open trading discussion, you just see replies. And it's more than 3 million views at the moment. So here, Spider's Den. Spider's Den. If it's easier for you, you can go at Tarantula, or here, high impact members. I will show you here. You can also press here, high impact members. That means most believable members of Forex Factory. There are 290,000 members. And here, you can see it here on high impact members. 3rd, 4th, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm usually 11, 10 of first 20. Here, the only one from ex-Yugoslavia. So here is also you can follow updated analysis real time. But also you can read as I update it on Admiral Markets, my broker which I use for trading, and soon, yeah, I will be making probably in 3-4 months I will be making also you will see that will be something along with Admiral Markets in next couple of months. Yeah, Google Forex Factory Spider's Den also first hit. Yeah, it's very it's read a lot. It's being read a lot, almost 3,000 views per day, so it's really good. So guys, that was it. Admiral Markets, don't forget Admiral Markets blog also, because I write it there. Especially it's each day analysis. Twitter also. And what I can say, be sure to sign up for ATR Stop Pro indicator, but for live accounts only. I will be explaining about ATR Stop indicator. I'm using that indicator. You cannot find it on the net. I will be giving you after the webinar. I will be giving you this ATR Stop indicator, and it's excellent. It's the best ATR indicator for me. And on the webinar, I will explain what it does and how it will serve you good. It's a great indicator, and you need to have it on your charts, but only, of course, for premium members, as premium webinar, it's only about live accounts. It's a bit, it's different because, you know, live accounts on Admiral markets will get the opportunity to get all of those nice indicators which are not free, but which I use it, and you get it for free. Also, Chris Live Trading Lab Expert Opinions, we will have range bars part 2. I will be presenting you a great system for trading, and of course, as you wanted it, price action trading 4, the system which I presented last week, price action trading 4 system. We will have another session too for questions and answers and explanation again of that system. I think you might have it prior to the webinar, but I'm not sure. I need to see with other markets. I'm not sure because you know, premium webinars are a little bit different, so I'm not sure if I'm able to give you prior to the webinar. Maybe, we will see. But be sure to attend the webinar because you need to know what that indicator does and how you can use it. You cannot learn it by yourself. You need to pay attention to some. It's not just ATR stop. It will print out all support and resistance levels for that day. It recalculates levels each day. It can be done on every single currency pair. So I need to explain a bit how it works, okay? So we will see. Just be sure to sign up and don't worry. As I said, a session recap, pay attention to these levels. These will be my trades if I don't, of course, make a new update tomorrow, but so far it looks like this. So far it looks like this, and dollar CAD outlook, also dollar CAD outlook, as I told you, I will be paying attention again to this zone around 00 number if we get there, but unfortunately this was great sell setup, but I use ATR stops. Sometimes I use daily or weekly pivot, but you know, today I use Camarilla MACD and it's my proprietary method, so I don't need any daily or weekly pivot points. But I explained it in many webinars for guys who like to use it and for people who don't trade Camarilla MACD or who like to trade other methods. Yeah, surely, if the method supports it and if the creator of the method system is supporting it, then you can use daily or weekly pivots. It depends on your trading style. I don't need it really. Daily, yes, but Camarilla gives me daily levels, and ATR I will show you, but mostly Camarilla is very, very good for me. But ATR stop, you will get excellent indicator. ATR stop, it will print out all important levels, very accurate, excellent indicator. So this is a must for serious traders. ATR stop pro indicator, a must. Okay, so that was it for today. I think that it's clear now. Try to spot these setups on your charts. If you like to trade it, trade it. Of course, having all risk in mind, and don't overtrade it, and always take into account that your trading entry volume is based on your stop loss. So always open your position according to a stop loss. Don't go over leverage, don't go revenge, and try to remain calm while trading. I told you many times, spirals of doom, avoid spiral of doom, and be optimistic about your trades. Let's see how we will go with these setups, as last week was 200 pip potential. Especially this trade was awesome, really. But all other trades except GBP were profitable. Okay? So thank you guys for attending, and talk to you very, very soon. Cheers.